And welcome back again to Section 23, Part 8, Verse 57 of the Dreams of Phillip the Snorter. It's been 30 years since the long-thought, long-dead king snorted back up to reclaim his throne. The turkey war and the rabbit habit are long past, as are the pig rebellion and the short-lived pheasant regurgitation. Civilization carries and although it is still the 13th century, advances in mechanics and engineering have made both war and suppression much easier. The introduction of the ABC all-in-one sword sharpener, for instance, has been a boon to all. Philip now owns all of the bars he frequents and has left all but the most ceremonial duties to his counselor and confidant, Ernestine. Their son, now known as Deadhead, oversees animal husbandry in the provinces. As our story opens, Philip, true to form, is snoring gloriously in his bedroom and is about to be awakened by something rising. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy!
Philip, 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 my king, do stop rising. That will be later. And get up. The sun awaits you in the hinterlands, expecting a mink roast in your name.
What? Fall. Autumn. My eyes blear me. My thoughts are a grog as though wandering uphill in a gated community. Is this my monk? Plundering my trousers as in a laundry and looking for tokens? What betokens this?
You've left your glasses in the pub, my lord, and yet I see you have brought their glasses home. Why do you not drink from the bottle as was in our past glory? You rise to some occasions, not to others. It is hard to know. Shall I come or shall I go? I rummage in your pants to find my investiture in a larger outcome.
What? Have you news of glory?
Oh, my lord, the bagel is won not by baking, but by butter. You have sat off your horse in the presence of all, made meat pies of your foes to serve you in your alehouse. You have both snorted and regurged the whole world. And yet there are the things of the tunnel, the cellar, the closet, the pulsing of the pheasants and the turkeys, and even your personal plebes that work on you like small animal incursions and call out glory.
Ernestine, do you butter me up with castle intrigue, wherein glory is my bagel?
Together, Philip, as was in the days before Charles and Priscilla.
Ernestine, do we have a toaster? I'm hungry.
Yes, my lord. It's beside the double bed in the wine cellar where you tied me up last night onto all four posts and laid me open like some kind of cheap watermelon.
Episode 57 finishes quickly, as does Philip. Tune in again next time when Philip learns Braille anatomy at the pub. Till then, this is AJK Waterbottomley speaking.